How many times have you said, "This is the week I finally fix my study routine," only to forget that promise 24 hours later? How many times have you opened your notebook, stared at the page, and suddenly decided cleaning your room was your top priority? Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't struggle with studying. You struggle with building a routine that actually works. Let me show you how to fix that in the next 3 minutes. Step 1. Find your real window. First, find your study window, not your ideal window, not "I wish I could study at 5 a.m. like those perfect people on TikTok." Your real window. Some of you are morning warriors. Some of you only become intelligent at 8:43 p.m. Your routine must match your energy, not your fantasy. Choose a 60 to 90-minute block where you consistently feel most awake. That's your power window. That becomes everything. And remember, consistency beats intensity. 60 focused minutes every day destroys 6 sloppy hours once a month when fear finally kicks in. Step 2. The 10-minute trick. Here's the game changer. Every single day, start with exactly 10 minutes of warm-up studying. Not scrolling, not planning. Real work. Why does this work? Because your brain has one job: protect you from discomfort. Studying is uncomfortable, so your brain negotiates, distracts, convinces you to check your phone or suddenly research random facts about the sun. But once you start, the resistance drops. 10 minutes tricks your brain into beginning, and once you begin, you naturally keep going. This one habit alone can triple your productivity. Step 3. The anti-burnout rule. This is the step that ruins everything if you ignore it. Set a hard stop time. I know, sounds too simple, but listen carefully. Study routines fail because students push themselves until they burn out. They overstudy one day, feel exhausted the next, skip studying, feel guilty, quit the routine, start again next month. Repeat forever. A hard stop time protects your motivation. If you study for 60 to 90 minutes and stop, even if you feel in the zone, you leave each session wanting more. Wanting more builds craving. Craving builds consistency. This is the secret to long-term discipline. Step 4. Control your environment. Last thing, your environment matters more than you think. If your desk looks like a crime scene, if your phone is vibrating constantly, if you're studying in bed like a sleepy croissant, your routine will fail. Create a simple, clean space. One notebook, one pen, no phone in sight. Make your environment so boring that studying becomes your only entertainment. Congratulations, you just hacked your brain. Quick recap. Find your real study window. Start with 10 minutes of real work. Set a hard stop time. Do not skip this. Build a distraction-free environment. Do these 4 things, and for the first time, your study routine will actually stick. If this helped, subscribe. Now go study. I'll see you in the next one.